Hello. The first series of lessons that we're offering in our Discovery Learning curriculum has to do with God's purpose for the church. We have 3 lessons in this first series, and it has to do with the things that come together in Acts chapter 2 as the first gospel sermon is preached and as the church begins. These 3 things, which the lessons will cover, have to do with the work of the Holy Spirit, David as the king, and the promise made to Abraham. Again, these 3 lessons all have to do with discovery learning. You really got to invest yourself in it to make the discoveries. So this isn't for everybody, but it is for those who want to dig deep and find some very rich things to help them understand how God worked to bring about the church. I think you'll find these lessons very intriguing. I believe that you'll find them challenging but very rewarding. And so I invite you to go on this journey of looking at what God's purposes were for the church that Jesus built. In this way, we can better understand what we're to do as Christians and what God had in mind all along. Again, I hope that you will enjoy this very much.